Video presentation. My name is Joan Steven Duran Pavón. I am going to tell you about my sister. Presentation of my sister. Name Hanailin Rodriguez Pavón. He 10 years old. Mother I brought forth. Occupation student, fifth grade, she is Colombia. Free time, my sister practice basketball. My sister watches Princess program on TV. Your favorite fruit: green apple, bananas, pear. Your favorite foods: broster chicken, barbecue wings. My sister daily routine. My sister gets up at 7 in the morning. She takes a shower at 7:20 in the morning. My sister had breakfast at 8 in the morning. My sister does her school hour at 9 in the morning. My sister daily routine. My sister start getting ready at 10:20 in the morning to go to school. My sister has lunch at 11 in the morning. My sister leaves for school at 12 in the afternoon. My sister has recess at 3 in the afternoon. My sister gets out of school at 5:20 in the afternoon. My sister gets home and does her homework at 6 in the evening. My sister has dinner at 7 in the evening. My sister goes to bed at night. Thank you so much.